Live in Ascenso Covered Court, Pagadian City is our first Mayor Samico Ascenso Barangay Cup. Last game of the night to be played between Barangay Santa Maria and Barangay Balintawak. Tamiyan ang takayoy. Kinakay ko sa background music ba kayo? Marapatag nasa NBA ba? Bitaw, oy, last game mga ka-Ascenso. Barangay Balintawak versus Barangay Santa Maria. And Puerto is playing the game. By the way, happy wedding di ay. Kay Kuan, congratulations kay Puerto, no, bagong kasal. Ha? Welcome to the club. Kalawan miss. Tinapik. And Opsima taps the ball to score first for Barangay Balintawak. Mendez to Cabantac. De Los Santos, corner 3. Miss. Mendez, strong rebound. Blocked by Opsima. Hulip. Ha? Shout out kay Ref Arlo Kalunod. Ha? Cabantac. De Los Santos. And supalpal na naman. Uy, aha naman music na rin, DJ Joyce. Opsima. And his foul. Congratulations to Puerto. Welcome to the husband club. Shout out there kay Puerto. Garex Puerto. Opsima missed. Cabantac to De Los Santos off the mark. Mendoza with the rebound. Balik kay De Los Santos. Now to Mendez. Good fake. And missed. Ganda ng fake ni Mendez. Behind the back pass para kay Malalis. What a pass there by Mendoza. Garex to Kalawan. Off balance. Buti lang, naipasa pa. 5-second shot clock. And 3-pointer missed. Mendez with a nice rebound. Now to Cabantac. Hesitation. Jumper. No good. Number 8 with the rebound. Passing it to Kalawan. Easy 2 for Kalawan. Early injury. Jimeno will check in for Barangay Balintawak, replacing Opsima. Mendez to De Los Santos. Ball stripped from his hands. De Los Santos to Mendoza. Jumper, yes sir. Calma crosses over. Calderon, jumper, missed again. One-hander. Kalawan, tapi ka ng bola sa itaas. Ball stolen by Mendoza. Now to Mendez. Against Puerto, Mendez. And another miss for Mendez. Sayang. Puerto. Tumira ng 3. Bam! Puerto with a long 3 for Barangay Balintawak. Cabantac to Mendez. Balik kay Cabantac. Now to Mendoza. Malalis. Driving. Sa gitna. Cabantac for 3. Bam! Sumagot naman si Cabantac para sa Barangay Santa Maria for that shot. Uy, Raima. Ning paduol. Wala kita. Bali, bali. Throw. Naka-Joyce na pit. Sara all. Kabantak. Mendez, corner 3. Another miss. Puerto with the rebound. Gisungog-sungog yung ka Rhymes. Kapaduol yung Rhymes. O gatapad pag yun, double date. Puerto, isa pang 3. Miss. De Los Santos to Kabantak. For 3. Another miss. Calderon steals the ball. Now to Kalawan. Bounce pass to Calderon. Block by Kabantak. But the recovery is there para kay Kalawan. Mendez finally scores. Timeout called. Barangay Balintawak. This timeout mga ka-Ascenso is brought to us by City Councilor Dodong Duterte and Raima the Jealous. Sige lang Rhymes, because jealousy is not a sin, it's a window. Hartar yun mo? Sige lang Rhymes. Remember Rhymes, jealousy is not a sin, it's a window. Ha? Diba? Pero sakit lang yun sa mata lang tawa ng mga tawhanan niya. Atbang ka pa, atbang. Oh my goodness. Balik na lang ta sa lula mga ka-Ascenso. 11-9. Balintawak is on the lead. Sisikan, nabitawan ang bola. Hindi masyadong nasalo na mabuti. Now Kabantak. 3-pointer. Miss. Pasa. Ingon pasa. Rebound man lagi. Shot pa jud. And Pasa scores for Barangay Santa Maria, ties the game at 11. Mojado fakes, floater no good. Mendoza with the rebound, down to Kabantak. Steps back, outside to De Los Santos. Umatake, De Los Santos. Off the board, falls away, yes sir! By De Los Santos. 11-13. 11-13. Puerto making a play. Now to Mojado. Double team. Mojado sa ilalim, umatake. Ball. Saan naman to? Oh, Sisikan. Hangs in the air. No good. Mendoza with his back, behind the back. Guarded by Puerto. To Kabantak for 3 again, and again another miss. Rebounded by Mojado. Now to Puerto, 2 against 2. Puerto against De Los Santos. Tapatigil, muntikan pang nabitawan. Puerto for 3. Mintes, Kalawan with the rebound. Bounce pass to Puerto. And another miss by Puerto. Kinapos ang layup. Mendez. Short for that layup. Puerto crosses over, hangs in the air with that one-hander by Puerto. Mendoza with a steal. Mendoza for 3. Mendez scores for Barangay Santa Maria from downtown, extending their lead to 3. Puerto to Mojado. And Mojado answers back with a 3-pointer. Tied at 16. Now to De Los Santos. Good anticipation by Puerto. Kita kayo ni Puerto ang pasa. I-anticipate niya. Dito yun padulong. First personal foul. First team foul. But Puerto commits a foul after that steal. De Los Santos. Bam! De Los Santos with a 3 points. Seconds to play in the first quarter.
Puerto, good defending the ball. Nice cut by Sisikan. Ganda ng cut, ganda ng pasa, ganda ng score. Ganda ko, ay ganda mo. Ganda niya. Ganda ni Ulysses. Stilan. Oh, lamig, smile si Ulysses. Ay, mura magulit ako. Ano, grabe, pahiyom kayo. Ay, pare ba, dalagang Pilipino kayo ba? Di pa mo nagad. Tika kayo. Ha? Tawa si Raima. And Mendez nails the 3-pointer for Santa Maria. Puerto missing that buzzer beater. That's the end of our first quarter. 18-22. Rhymes. Tawa ka Ulysses. Lamig kay pahiyom mo. Raima nga naman. Katawa? Crush ni mo si Raima? Crush daw kay Ulysses. Pero lahi ang iyang katapad. Crush ni mo? Ay, amats. Mo kuan pa ka mo. Kontra po ka ni Alan, ha? Sama man mo ng crush nga lain man ang imong kuyog. Lain po ka. Paghanga. Mahanga daw si Ulysses Rhymes. May tagahanga. Fans na siya, dili na crush, fans. Puerto. Pambungad na tira, miss. Stolen by Puerto. Jumper is good. Nothing but the net by Puerto. Now the lead is cut into 2. Kabantak, good defense by Calisar. Stolen by number 12. Passing ito Calisar. Hinabol ni Mendez. Calisar scores. De Los Santos missing the 3-pointer. Ooh, what a crossover and hangs in the air. But missing that shot by Guro. Mendez falls away. In and out. Another rebound. Mendez with a second chance. Basket at Micah Samang foul. Mendez with a good hustle play there. Not giving up the ball. Coming from that miss. Gets the rebound. Second chance, put back, and it's good. Ngayon, may foul pang kasama. And Mendez completes a 3-point play. An effective player for Barangay Santa Maria. Now to Puerto. Puerto, matake, lays it up. Easy score para kay Puerto. Mendez to Kabantak. Tumira agad ng 3. Bang! Kabantak with that dagger 3. Opsima. Balik. Uy. Sala pa gyud. Jimeno will check in. 3-point miss. Kabantak. Mendez. Driving against heavy traffic. Outside, De Los Santos for 3. Miss. And a foul call against Sisikan.
Sisikan, first personal foul. Sisikan 2 foul.
3-pointer missed. And now to Jimeno. Good pass para kay Guro. Stolen almost. Now to number 11, Tan. To Kabantak. Tumira na naman. Kabantak short this time. Jimeno with the rebound. Passing it to Sisikan. Sisikan almost lost the ball. Out of bounds. Guro tries to cross. Jumper. Miss. Sisikan with the rebound. Rip. Di ko kita rip. Daplin siya kami rip. 3 seconds violation against Barangay Balintawak. Tan for 3. Off the mark. Magbanwa with the rebound. Outside. Mendez. Good fake. Driving. Falls away. Missed. Puerto with the rebound. Puerto nagmamadali. All the way. Hangs in the air for that layup. Tied at 28. Magbanwa against Guro. Driving. Also hangs and is fouled. Fouled by Kalisar. Magbanwa. Missed. Second throw. And yes. Palawan will check in, replacing Puerto. Guro to Kalawan. Inside feed to Sisikan. Balik sa labas. Jimeno up and under. Sisikan with the rebound. Now to Mendez. Passing it to Kabantak. Bumped by Jimeno. Kabantak. Gustong tumira ng 3. Mendez. Fearlessly attacking the basket and is fouled. Coach. Excuse. 28-30. Santa Maria up by 2. Puerto to Kalawan. Balik kay Puerto. Sisikan. Kalawan sa gilid. Corner 3. Mintes. Jimeno with a pump fake. Can't get it to go. Sisikan is there. Jimeno is there. And second chance is good. Walang pabor yung kayo. Basta makuha yun ninyo ang rebound. Because it will convert to points. So pabor kayo. De Los Santos, what a turnaround. Missing that layup. Lumabas pa. Gets his own rebound. Isa pang atake. And is blocked. Oh! Galing ah. Kuyawan. Jimeno.
Ball number 9. Jimeno. First personal foul.
Ang ganda ng tayo ni Jimeno. And De Los Santos nails the second throw. Balik sa tatlo ang lamang ng Barangay Santa Maria. Puerto, miscommunication pass. Walang sumalo. Tulad mo, walang sumalo sa'yo nung ikaw ay na-fall. De Los Santos, another miss. Magbanwa with the rebound. Sana, stolen by Jimeno. Passing ito Kalawan to Puerto. Tries to get a foul. Mendez with the ball. Now to De Los Santos. Umatake. De Los Santos, no good. Rebound by Sisikan. Fast break para kay Kalawan. Kalawan scores for Barangay Balintawak. Cutting the lead to 1. And a timeout called by Barangay Santa Maria, as they lead by only 1 point with 2 minutes and 41 seconds remaining in this second quarter. Kalawan. 100. Okay. Kabantak. Umira ng 3. Mintes. Jimeno with a nice box out. Foul call against De Los Santos.
De Los Santos. First personal foul.
Puerto to Kalawan, balik kay Puerto. Jimeno for 3. In and out. Tinapik ni Magbanwa. Ball goes to De Los Santos. Now to Magbanwa. Good hustle defense by Jimeno. Mendez driving. Stripped from his hands. Kabantak fakes. Fires. Too strong. Fast break para kay Kalawan. And easy layup. Mendez for 3. Bang! Mendez finally hitting from downtown para sa Barangay Santa Maria. Kalawan, good pass para kay Sisikan, no good, rebounded by Mendez. Mendez, hesitation, passing it to nobody. Nobody but you. 29 seconds left in the second quarter. Kabantak, tumira ng 3. Bang! And Kabantak with another 3-pointer. Kalawan, babawi ng 2. Time winding down. 1-point lead. Mendez, 3 seconds behind his back. At kinapos sa oras. That's the end of our first half. 38-39, Santa Maria up by 1. And back to our ball game, third quarter, mga ka-Asenso. Santa Maria versus Balintawak. De Los Santos now to Mendoza sa gitna, no good. De Los Santos tumira ng 3. Bang! And De Los Santos nailing from downtown. Wanan ay natulog. Pukawana. Di magsig tulog-tulog. Mendez to Kabantak. And Kabantak. Aber ako natulog. Yuls! Friday night, Yuls! Bumbong kasi mong mama, Yuls. De Los Santos to Kabantak. 4 straight points for Kabantak. Puerto. Umatake. Puerto hangs in the air for that one-hander. De Los Santos naman ngayon. Na out to Kabantak. 6-point lead Santa Maria. Steps back to Mendoza. De Los Santos, quick release, missed. Mendez is there to get the rebound. Mendez to Malalis, fakes, steps back for 3. Malalis missed. Yun, bola mananatili sa Barangay Santa Maria. Santa Maria.
40 seconds to shoot.
Mendoza fade away. Mintes. Sisikan to Puerto to Opsima. Yes, sir. Transition offense for Barangay Balintawak. 4 points ang hahabulin nila. Mendez, hesitation, driving outside corner. De Los Santos, another miss from the corner. Sisikan to Puerto. Puerto, ball is lost from his hands. Mendez to De Los Santos for 3. Bang! De Los Santos, after 2 misses, now finally drains a 3 from the wing. Opsina, crossover, steps back. Now to Puerto. Inside, Kalawan, kinapos. Tapikan ang bola. Sisikan is there to save the ball. Opsima, steps back 3. Short. De Los Santos, pass break pass para kay Kabantak. Yes, sir! Kalawan, gustong bumawi agad. Outside, Puerto, driving, hangs, fires, no good. Mendez wins another rebound. Pang 10 rebound ni Mendez ngayon, mga ka-Asenso. Now to Mendez. Kabantak. Balik kay Mendez. Driving. Falls away. Short. Opsima with the rebound. Fast break. And stolen by Mendez. Good effort there by Mendez defending the ball. With no hesitation, Mendez inside para kay Mendoza. Mendoza fades away and scores. Timeout called by Barangay Balintawak. Kalawan. Balik kay Opsima. 3-pointer. What? And a foul call against Malalis. A foul away from the ball.
Personal foul.
May hawak. May hawak na tinawag kay Malalis. Puerto. Umatake si Puerto. Parang gustong humabol. I mean, gusto talagang humabol. Puerto trying to getting serious now. De Los Santos now to Opsima. Lays it up. Lumagpas. De Los Santos with a tricky rebound. Mendez. Hesitation. Ayun, he's fouled.
Foul number 22. Sisikan. First personal foul. First team foul. Balintawak.
De Los Santos falls away for the three-pointer in the corner. Puerto, babawi all the way. Kabantak naman, heavily guarded by Opsima. Outside to De Los Santos, now to Mendez. To Malalis, Supalpal. And out of bounds. Inabutan ni Sisikan ang tira ni Malalis. Good fake. Outside to Mendez. 4-second shot clock. Mendez to De Los Santos. Isa pang tres. And another miss. Puerto with the rebound. Now to Kalawan. Kalawan to Opsima. Yes, sir! Malalis to Kabantak. Muntikan pang nabitawan. Kabantak fakes. Mendez with a drive and is fouled by Sisikan.
Foul number 22. Sisikan. Sisikan personal foul. Sisikan team foul. Balintawak.
And Mendez missing his first throw. Pangalawang tira ni Mendez. Another miss, but gets their own rebound. Fade away. In and out. Sayang ang tira na yon. Puerto naman ngayon ang aatake. Umararo hangs in the air with that one-hander shot. Bouncing off the rim. No good. And the foul called. Against
Foul number
Malalis.
7. Malalis. Sisikan personal foul. Sisikan team foul.
Puerto missing his first throw. Second throw is good. Bagsak si Malalis. Mendez crosses over. 1 against 4. Ball stolen from behind by Opsima. Now to Sisikan. Sumabay si Mendoza. No good. Opsima, isa pa. Puerto, second chance. Puerto is blocked by Mendoza. Ganda ng depensa ng Barangay Santa Maria sa ilalim. Not letting Balintawak scores for second and third chances.
The shot not working. 14 seconds to shoot.
Opsima.
10.
Bounce pass. Kalawan turns around. Pass break. Kabantak. Mendez. Wow! Good transition offense here for Barangay Santa Maria. Ang bilis ng laro. Bawi agad. Opsima to Kalawan. 1-2 combination for Balintawak. 5-point lead for Barangay Santa Maria. Cabantac to Mendez. Balik kay Cabantac. 10-second shot clock. Balik kay Mendez. Tumira ng 3. Mintes. Puerto with the rebound. Side step and his foul. Basket and a foul for Puerto.
Malalis, third personal foul. Third team foul. Santa Maria.
And Puerto completes the 3-point play. Dalawa na lang po ang lamang ng Santa Maria. Mendez crosses over against Puerto. Pinasa sa labas. Fade away by De Los Santos. No good. Tapik ka ng bola sa itaas. Si Sican wins that rebound. Jimeno, ball stolen by De Los Santos. Good feed. Mendez fakes. Fires. No good. De Los Santos with a second chance score for Barangay Santa Maria as the time winds down with 45 seconds left in the third quarter. Balik sa apat ang kalamangan ng Barangay Santa Maria as Opsima cannot cross. Pinasa na lang para kay Puerto. Intercepted. Ayun, nabawi. Jimeno is there for the putback. Mendez for 3. Bang! Mendez! 3-pointer, walang bantay. It's a 1 against 3 for that offense. 7 seconds. 58-63. Opsima, floater no good. And kinapos sa oras. That's the end of our third quarter. 58-63. Santa Maria, lamang pa rin. Fourth quarter as Puerto is fouled attacking the rim.
Mendoza, second personal foul. First team foul.
Puerto, pangalawang tira, and it's good. 60-63, tatlo na lang ang lamang ng Santa Maria. 10-second shot clock. De Los Santos taking his time. Tumira ng 3 over Puerto, no good. Cabantac saves the ball. Nakuha ni Mendez behind the back pass. Para kay pasa, now to De Los Santos. Tumira ng 3, no good. Jimeno with the rebound. Stolen by De Los Santos. Fires from downtown. Bang! De Los Santos firing from downtown para sa Barangay Santa Maria. Puerto gustong bumawi. No good. Tapik ang bola sa itaas. Now to Garex. Puerto. Jumper. Miss. Tapik ka ng bola. Ayaw pa rin. Fast break pass para kay Kabantak. And Kabantak, another score. 5 straight points for Barangay Santa Maria. Puerto stops. Now to Opsima. Driving. Bump. And his foul.
De Los Santos, she got personal foul.
Opsima nails the first throw, cutting the lead to 7. Second throw, and it's good. Mendez nailing the three-pointer despite having a defender on his face for Barangay Santa Maria. Binawi agad ang puntos na yon by Mendez. 6 na lang sana ang lamang at they extended it to 9. Puerto inside to Sisikan. Block. Rebounded by Pasa. Mendoza to De Los Santos. Bullet pass para kay Kabantak. Driving, turns around, fakes. Looking for someone to pass. Stolen by Opsima. And is fouled by Mendoza.
Mendoza, third personal foul.
Nine-point lead Santa Maria. Puerto. To Puerto for 3. Short. Isa pa. Second chance by Puerto. And another miss. De Los Santos with a rebound. Another fast break para kay Kabantak. Stops. Fires. Miss. Mendez. What an effort there by Mendez. Not letting the ball go outside. Tries to save it. But fails to do so. But good effort, permintig yun si Mendez. Bisan asa every time modula ang Barangay Santa Maria. Giving all out from offense to defense. Grabe ang hustle sa bola. Dili yun, gukuron yun niya. Bisan kuan. Nagsisimula lang umatake sa Puerto but still missing. Mendez to Kabantak. Fakes, behind the back. Stops. 3 seconds violation call against Santa Maria. Puerto, Garex starting to get serious here, attacking the basket now. Opsima, nakalusot all the way sa gitna. Opsima, pass break para kay Kabantak. Ayun, and missed. Sayang. Rebounded by Puerto. Puerto to Opsima, corner 3, bang! Sana! Abinako! Mali ko, nigawas ng bula. De Los Santos, miss. Gets his own rebound, scoop shot, no good. Pasa, rebound to De Los Santos, double team. And stolen by Sika, now to Kalawan, easy 2, yes sir! Mawa ning Opsima ay mawaw mali man sa tanig sa oras.
Santa Maria.
Bang sana. Inggawas man mo kong shot na gito. Madala kita sa emosyon nato eh. Haisay. Mendez driving. Ball stolen by Kalawan. Opsima. Transition offense is good. Inagawan ni Kalawan. Si Mendez. Pasa. Fails to catch that pass. Another miss. Now rebounded by the blue shirts. De Los Santos. Bullet pass to Kamantak. Gustong tumira. Nagdadalawang isip. 5-second shot clock. Mendez with a crossover. Muntikang maiwanan si Kalawan.
Kalawan, first personal foul. First team foul. Balintawa. Siyang
At yumakap. Sana all nagyayakapan.
Second personal foul.
Oy, shout out Danrel Ibina. Shout out DJ Jabs.
Shout out five.
Rep ay po ko tabo ni Rep. Di ko kita Rep. Malawan na puntaan ni Rep.
Foul number 9, Herneno, second personal foul. Third team foul. Balintawa. Siyang
10-second shot clock. Kamantak to Mendoza for 3. In and out. Opsima with the rebound. Umahabol ang Barangay Balintawak. 68-71. 3 minutes and 44 seconds left. Puerto. Matake and fouled by Mendez.
Foul number 18, Mendez. First personal foul. Fourth team foul. Santa Maria.
Puerto to Opsima. Fires from the corner 3. In and out. De Los Santos with a rebound. Pass break para kay Kamantak. Hinabol ang bola. Buti na lang naapsan. Mendez for 3. Missed. Gets his hard rebound. Outside. Kamantak 3. Another miss. Magbanwa. Muntikan na nakuha. Rebound. Rebounded now by Jimeno. To Sisikan. Lays it up and scores. Isang puntos na lang ang lamang ng Santa Maria. De Los Santos behind the back. Hesitation. Driving for the lead. Missed. Magbanwa to Mendoza. Falls away. No good. De Los Santos. Another miss. Rebounded by Puerto. Puerto for the lead. Yes, sir! Puerto now leading the game for Barangay Balintawak with 1 point. Mendez. Heavy defense here. Mendez for 3. Bang! And Mendez binawi agad ang puntos para sa Barangay Santa Maria, taking the lead with 2 points. Opsima. No look pass para kay Kalawan na bakante sa ilalim. Ties the game at 74. Magbanwa. Now to Kamantak. Back to square one with 2 minutes game. 2 games game clock. Mendez. 7-second shot clock. Mendez with a crossover. Tries to step back. Now to Magbanwa. 1 second left in the shot clock. Kinapos sa oras. Shot clock violation. against Barangay Santa Maria. Ball goes to Barangay Balintawak and will have a chance to take the lead. Pero may timeout na tinawag ang Barangay Balintawak.
This timeout is from Cuba City Council. Marjorie Rivera Cero. Asian Cup 40 state as the shoot.
One minute and 31 seconds left, tied at 74.
1 minute and 31 seconds.
Opsima.
Asian Cup
Hesi dribble. Opsima nabitawan pa. Binaga ang pader. Outside to Sisikan. Opsima na bakante. Steps back. 3. Bang! Opsima as the shot clock expires from the corner. Fast break pass para kay Kabantak. Binawi naman agad ni Kabantak ang score. Although 2 points, but at least nabawi. Balintawak with a 1-point lead. Opsima again. Under a minute to play. Muntikan pang natapon ang bola. Kalawan to Puerto. Jumper inside to Sisikan. And missed. De Los Santos is fouled. It was a good decision by Puerto. Regardless if itira niya or ipasa. Bakante kayo ang iyang ipasahan po. So it was a good decision. Pero kung itira po ito niya, it was also a good decision. The only thing that matters is that who catches the ball and takes the shot. But then Sisikan can't connect from that pass. Santa Maria will have a chance to lead. Ayun, foul called against Jimeno. Penalty situation for both teams. De Los Santos, will he tie the game or will they take the lead? Ingin nga referee, magsayaw daw sila, hawak, gunitan daw ang hawak, kung manayaw. So una na foul ang sa posisyon ni Mendez before natawagan si De Los Santos. Mendez ties the game at 77. 33 seconds left.
Time remaining 33 seconds.
Mendez missing that free throw, rebounded by Puerto. 30 seconds left. Jimeno inside, Kalawan, yes sir! Kalawan takes the lead. Now to Mendez. Driving for the tie. Missed. Timeout called by Barangay Balintawak.
Timeout. Balintawak.
Straight na unta ang tira ni Mendez. Kaso, kinulang sa lakas.
City Council.
And it was a good pass there by Jimeno. Seeing Kalawan near the basket with an alley-oop play for Barangay Balintawak, taking the lead with 2 points. And now 15 seconds na lang ang natitira sa ating ball game. Bola sa Barangay Balintawak.
Shot clock 14 seconds to shoot.
Opsima. What will be the strategy of Barangay Santa Maria here? Opsima to Puerto. And he is fouled. Same strategy here.
Penalty.
Both teams are at penalty. Balintawak with no timeouts left, while Santa Maria still has 2 timeouts. Puerto on the line. Napangiti si Puerto. Akala niya lalabas. We thought it also. Kuha sila timeout. Puerto nails both free throws and leads by 4 points.
Santa Maria.
Eleven seconds left.
Time remaining.
No fouls to give for both teams. Both on penalty situation, 81-77. 4-point lead for Barangay Balintawak. Malalis to Mendez for 3. Short. Kalawan with the rebound, and that seals the deal. Congratulations to Barangay Balintawak for winning the ball game. And that's the end of our regulation, 81-77. Balintawak with the win. This is your commentator, Gab. Mayong gabi kaninyong tanan, mga ka-asenso.
Mayor Swami Go, Mayor Swami Asenso ka.